Get that band score. Unlock your bright future today.
Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone's doing great. I'm a little under the weather, but I really wanted to come over and make this short video on the very important subject, and it's all about the pricing of the IELTS, different various IELTS tests offered by the British Council or the competitors or the other Cambridge IELTS partners in Pakistan. And as you can see the pricing on the screen, it's got different pricings for different cities, as you can see, for the IELTS general training and the academic test, the paper-based test in these cities, Peshawar, Abbottabad, Quetta, and Mirpur. You got 37,500 rupees as of July 1st 2022 and later. For Karachi and Hyderabad, for the same test, that is the paper-based test, you have to pay 42,180 rupees. And for all these cities, as you can see here, you need to find out your own city here. All the major cities are included here, including the federal capital city of Islamabad and the other major cities in Punjab province. It's 43,260 rupees. So that's the current pricing for the test. Now these were the paper-based test. For the computer-delivered test, as you can see, the pricings are a bit different. And something that you need to notice also is that the delivered test isn't offered everywhere in the country. There are certain cities that this test is offered, as you can see here. So up until here, these were the prices for the academic IELTS and general training IELTS, the regular one, and the computer delivered test around the country, as you can see here. And for the IELTS, especially for IELTS UKVI, these are the pricings, as you can see. As for the life skill A1 and B1, it's offered in these cities only, and this is the pricing. Now what really surprises me is that, as you can notice, the pricing is pretty high, right? And the prices are competitive when it comes to other cities in the world, for example Riyadh, Jeddah, and the other cities, major cities in the world. It's going to be somehow, somewhat in the same range. What really surprises me is that people don't really prepare for the test and they just register. I don't know why. I can't understand. I'm gonna narrate to you a real quick story. A girl who shared this story with me recently, what she told me was that she had to sell her gold jewelry to pay for the IELTS registration fee, and she fell short of the required band score by half a band. So she wanted, I guess she had to get a band score of 7 altogether, and she scored 6.5. This is so heartbreaking. And then there was somebody who told me that there was this brother who told me that they appeared in the test twice already, and they kept falling short, especially in their writing test, and their score is stuck at 6.5. And then they followed some random IELTS YouTubers' advice, and the second time when he sat the test, he scored even 6. And now he is ready to sit the test the third time. And guess what? He's still not ready to invest in himself and, seek professional help. I mean, this is something that really surprises me. Why wouldn't people try to save this huge amount of money, and then basically they're okay with getting all this frustration that comes with not being able to get the required result, and then they basically are okay with sitting the test over and over again and paying, for example, 43,000 plus rupees, but they wouldn't pay for example, a course that is offered, a quality course that is offered in less than half the price. I mean, come on, people. I'm not like really ranting or anything. It just breaks my heart how people are not wise enough to really invest in themselves and their future, and they just want everything when it comes to their training and investing in themselves. They just want it everything to be free, and then they're okay with paying Cambridge over and over again all this hefty price, but they're not ready to seek help. They're not ready to pay really that much focus and attention in terms of doing the hard work that is required and the effort they need to be paying. And they just want these shortcuts, and they just want somebody to come over and just give them this magic wand, or give them some magic potion that they could just drink and then get the band score that they need. I'm sorry, I don't have any good news for you guys. This is not going to happen. We're not living in fool's paradise. We need to work hard, and you need to improve your level of English. As simple as that. And whatever it takes, whether it's, I'm not saying just get my courses, anyone, just get any professional help, do your background check. I mean, try to see who the trainer is. Are they really certified to do what they're doing? Do they have the academic background? Do they have the educational background? Are they certified? Even having enough educational credential isn't enough to teach and train people for IELTS. So this is something serious. It's your future at stake. So people, make the right decision, please, and invest in yourself. And please do not register for the test until you're 100% ready to sit the test. Make sure, at least if you're not getting enrolled in a course or so, at least try to get some professional help to evaluate your writing and to do some sort of a speaking mock test, so you know that your productive skills are being assessed and you know where you truly stand before you actually go ahead and pay the registration fee for the IELTS test. I think this is it. I'm not feeling well, but I really, really had to come over and share this important information with all of you. I hope this really helps, and all the best for all of you and for your bright future. Thank you so much.